to Wiggly Brothers Barnum and Bailey Circus because they always have fun and exotic and better trained people than me to amuse you for Tampa Bay on Demand. I'm Virginia